Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So, the next two vlogs are gonna be kind of confusing, so let me explain. I have been filming footage for the past 2 months or so, and obviously I haven't posted anything on this channel in a while, and that is because I was dealing with some personal issues and I just wanted to deal with that and not worry about having to work. But I want to start posting again. Obviously, I wasn't planning on just never posting a video again. I have about 2 weeks of footage in this vlog that I'm going to show you guys, and then the next vlog I'll post about a week later. You guys will see sort of the second half of this whole period that I have not been posting. I hope that makes sense. I had a lot of content that I filmed, I just never got around to editing it or publishing it for you guys to watch. There's a lot of things happening in this vlog. It's a little bit miscellaneous, but I did want to post it because I actually really like this vlog because I think it includes a lot of fun little moments that I'm gonna enjoy looking back on, and it's a little different. So without further ado, roll the clips.
Good morning, everybody. I just woke up. I'm exhausted. I did not sleep well last night, but I have a lot of fun things that I'm doing within the next couple of days, and I was like, okay, I have to film this because even though this isn't like a weekly thing for me, I was still like, this is gonna be good content, Amber, you gotta get it in. Even though my life's not super interesting, I think it's always fun to watch people just do the things they do on the daily. I don't know, maybe that's just me, maybe I'm crazy, but I love these kinds of videos. So today is a very chill day at home, but for those of you who don't know, I moved my room from the downstairs to the upstairs, and I started this like beginning of quarantine, and I finally got my furniture delivered, or like the last pieces of furniture that I need. I got them from IKEA, and I have to build them all. So that's on the agenda for today, as well as just like house chores and things. So I figured I would show you guys. And then the next couple of days I have some photo shoots and some friends coming over and dinner plans and stuff. So it'll be good. So the first thing I'm gonna do actually is I'm gonna go change, and then I'm gonna do a quick workout and shower. We got back from our little road trip vacation about a week ago, and we ate so bad on that trip, just like snacks, and we were going out to eat all the time, and like ice cream, and it was so much fun, and it was great, and it's vacation, so like I'm not gonna be super strict on myself, but I definitely noticed a difference, and I was like, I am not looking and feeling the way that I know I can and the way I know I should. So my best friend's older brother is like really into fitness and everything, so we put together a little plan for us that I've been following for the past week. And as tired as I am, and I really don't want to go do a workout right now, I hoped that if I turned on my vlog camera, it would force me to do it. So I'm gonna go change. Maybe, keyword maybe, in the future I'll show you guys what I do. I've been playing volleyball my whole life. That was always like strength conditioning or like vertical leap training and stuff. So these are very different workouts, and I actually have been liking them so far. So I'm gonna do that. I will shower, and I will come back with wet hair in 3, 2, 1. Boom. Magic of TV. Okay, so here's the plan. Oh my god. All right, I have a stack of IKEA furniture that I'm going to build. My room is very like bare right now. You can't see much. I can show you guys my room maybe in a future vlog when it's done. But I built one shelf yesterday. Took me like a freaking hour because I didn't have any of the tools that I needed. But I have 3 more to build. I'm just gonna time lapse through this, and we're gonna, let's do it. Here we go. Let me make sure my camera is up straight. Okay, ready, set, go. This is what we're making. I got basic Alex drawers. I got tall ones for my room and then short ones for my upstairs vanity area, just because I need a lot of storage. So I have to build 2 of these. Here we go. Why is the light so weird? I look blue! Okay, all right, Lexi made dinner. So we have like cheese and crackers, we're doing veggies and shrimp, and then my lemon basil dipping sauce, which the recipe is in my cookbook. So we have a little smorgasbord. Hi. Good job, Lou, looks good. Thank you. All right, hi guys. You literally haven't missed anything. I showed you some clips last night of the dinner Lexi made. I never showed you the finished room because it's still not done. I'm still building. I literally was building IKEA furniture for like 5 hours yesterday. But I had to put a pause on that because it's the next day. I worked a little bit on it this morning, but I have some exciting plans today. For those of you who don't know, I'm gonna be a senior this upcoming year. And so today I have my senior photos. I am so excited. A little nervous, not gonna lie, because quarantine, I haven't had like a lot of reasons to go out. I haven't done my makeup that much, so like I don't know if I'm gonna look crazy. But my friend's coming over later and we're gonna go together. I'll show you guys what I look like when I'm ready, and then maybe a little behind the scenes of the photos. It's gonna be a good day. There's a lot happening and I will do my best to turn on the camera as often as I can. I'm gonna have my friend remind me so I don't forget, because it is weird to like click a button all the time. So I'm gonna continue with the few things I have to do this morning, and then I will check back in with you when I start getting ready. I also don't know what I'm gonna wear. So I'll let you know how that goes and I will see you guys in a bit. Okay, hi guys, I just got ready for my photos. I'm about to leave, so I'll show you a little bit more in the car. I'll have my friend film some behind the scenes. Emily, I'm vlogging today. You get to be in my vlog. I look like I have no head. Look at this. I look like I have no head, like no neck. Okay, we are in the car. I'm with my friend. We're going to take my senior photos. I did not show anything of me getting ready because I was running late, but I just curled my hair, whatever. Nothing fancy. It's basically what I do when I film videos. So we're gonna go take the photos, then we're gonna come back and cook dinner and we will show you that part. All right guys, we got back from my photo shoot. It went really, overexposed. It went really well. I had a lot of fun. I think the photos turned out good. We will see. My friend got some behind the scenes footage, I think, so I'll insert those clips now. So I was supposed to be cooking dinner tonight, but because my friend's staying over, we don't have enough food. So I'll cook dinner tomorrow night and I'll still show you guys, but my dad is picking up some takeout. We're gonna eat and I'm gonna spend the night with my friend. And then I will catch you guys tomorrow because I'm gonna be cooking dinner, and then I think I will show you the final product of my room because I will finally finish building all of that IKEA furniture. Literally, that's all I've been doing the past couple of days. It's ridiculous. So yes, it was a good day and I'm starving, so we're gonna eat. Oh, and I gotta go feed the dogs. Okay, hi guys, I'm back in the shirt I've been wearing for like 3 days. I just made dinner. It smells very good in here. I'm not feeling great, so I'm not gonna eat, but we're eating outside. I'll show you. I just did steak and some sauteed zucchini. So we're gonna eat dinner outside because it's gorgeous weather right now and it's a perfect temperature. Look at me. Oh. Hello. You're so cute. You're so cute. Oh! Good morning, everybody. My voice, actually not even good morning. Good afternoon. I don't know what happened, but I literally woke up at like 12. I just got dressed. I am wearing a shirt. I'm just sort of wearing pajamas. I know this shirt looks like I'm wearing nothing. I'll try to pop in today, show some clips. I'll show you if I end up like posting my video, if I finish my room and things like that. But today really is just like a laundry and work day. I also want to work on my college applications, which is not exciting. All right, guys, I wanted to show you. I finally finished my cabinets. I built these ones right here and these ones over here. This is the whole overview of what it looks like. It took me a couple of days to finish this, so you guys saw some clips earlier in the week of me building it, but it took me forever because I had to like mount them and set them up and everything. I'm just storing like camera equipment and chargers and things, paper, nothing fancy. But I finished them and I really like how they turned out. Love you, IKEA. Please sponsor me. Everything in our house, or at least everything in my room, is IKEA, so I love you guys. All right, hey guys, I'm coming on to end this vlog. I definitely filmed this a while ago and I just finished editing it and realized I never ended it. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.